My mom's gonna take a picture of a bunch of geese that came over. They're just a walking, but I told her she needs to be careful because she's kind of close to them. You can see one walking over this way. She just loves birds. She's really into birds. I mean, I like birds too, but I'm a little worried because she's going that far away. But is she just gonna try to follow them? Oh, she's getting a picture right now. I wouldn't want to go that close, but maybe she'll stop in just a minute. There she goes. She'll take pictures of birds all day, and I think it's pretty cool too. I mean, that's something she likes. Careful. There she goes. Oh boy. She keeps looking back and smiling. She is very happy about it, and I'm happy for her that she's able to take pictures of all of these birds, but I wouldn't want to get too close to them though, because I don't know if they would try to like flock or what they would do. But let me know in the comments if you would feel comfortable getting that close to birds, like those type of birds. She is going right over there. Oh wow, look at all of them. What a day. This is like a vacation vlog. It's about 8 or 9 in the morning right now. Alright, well, I will make a part 2 of what's going on later.